Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today we are going to start the rest of the questions of exercise 1.2. So let's start with question number 5. Now we will solve question number 5 of exercise 2.2. Question number 5, A part. That is 1 upon 2 of, first one is 24 and second one is 46. You have to calculate 1 upon 2 of 24 and 1 upon 2 of 46. Now let's start solving A part of question number 5. A part is 1 upon 2 of, first one is 24 and second one is 46. So first one is 1 upon 2 of means multiply. As I told you in my introductory video, you have to put multiplication sign in place of. So in place of, I have put multiplication sign. So 1 upon 2 multiply, the first one is 24. 2 12s are 24. Answer is 12. Now second is 1 upon 2 of 46. 1 upon 2 of 46. In place of I have put multiplication sign. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 46. 2 23s are 46. So answer is, for 23 ones are, that is 23. So answer is 23. B part of question number 5 is 2 upon 3 of, first one is 18 and second one is 27. Let's solve B part of question number 5. That is 2 upon 3 of, first one is 18 and second one is 27. So 2 upon 3 of means multiply. 2 upon 3 multiply by 18. 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. So answer is 12. Now the second is 2 upon 3 of 27. In place of I have put multiplication sign. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. 9 into 2, that is equal to 18. So answer is 18. So we can see that 2 upon 3 of 18 is 12 and 2 upon 3 of 27 is 18. Friends, part C and part D of question number 5, that you have to solve it yourself as a homework. So now let's solve question number 6 of exercise 2.2. Question number 6 of exercise 2.2 is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. A part is 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. In this question, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and then you have to multiply it by 3. Let's solve question number 6 of exercise 2.2. A part is 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. Students, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, that is equal to 26. 26 upon 5. Now we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 3 into 26, that is equal to 78 and 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. Now this fraction is improper fraction. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. And for that we have to divide 78 by 5. And our mixed fraction will be 15 integer 3 upon 5. B part of question number 6 is 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. Students, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we have to multiply 5 to it. B part of question number 6 is 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. As I told you, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, that is equal to 27 upon 4. Now we will multiply this 5 by 27 and this 1 by 4. 5 into 27, that is equal to 135 and 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. Now this is converted into improper fraction. Now we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide 135 by 4 and the fraction will be, and the mixed fraction will be 33 integer 3 upon 4, and that is the answer of B part of question number 6. Students, C part, D part and F part, that you have to solve it yourself. They are same as part A and part B. I will tell you how to solve part E. That is 3 integer 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction, that is 3 integer 1 by 4 into improper fraction. Then we will multiply 6 to it. E part of question number 6 is 3 integer 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. Now our fraction will become 13 upon 4. Now 4 is cancelled by 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 13 into 3, that is 13 3s are 39 and 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Now our fraction will become 39 upon 2. This is improper fraction. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide 39 by 2 and our mixed fraction will be 19 integer 1 upon 2, and that is the answer of E part of question number 6. Seventh question of exercise 2.2 is find. A part is 1 upon 2 of, first one is 2 integer 3 upon 4 and second one is 4 integer 2 upon 9. It means you have to calculate 1 upon 2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 of 4 integer 2 upon 9. So let's calculate A part of question number 7. A part of question number 7 is 1 upon 2 of, first one is 2 integer 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4. In place of O, we just put multiplication sign. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 integer 3 upon 4. Now we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 11 upon 4. Now numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 1 into 11, that is equal to 1 11s are 11 and 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Now this has become improper fraction. Now we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. For that we will divide 11 by 8. Now our answer will be 1 integer 3 upon 8. This is our answer. Second part is 1 upon 2 of 4 integer 2 upon 9. As I told you, in place of we will put multiplication sign. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 integer 2 upon 9. Now we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that we will multiply 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, that is equal to 38 upon 9. Now we will multiply 1 upon 2 multiplied by 38 upon 9. As I told you, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 1 into 38, that is equal to 38. 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. Now we will cancel this 38 and 18 by 2. 2 19s are 38, 2 9s are 18. Now our improper fraction will become 19 upon 9. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 19 by 9 and rotating the numbers anti-clockwise. So our mixed fraction will be 2 integer 1 upon 9, and that is the answer of second part. Students, B part of question number 7, that you have to do it yourself. It is same as A part of question number 7. Eighth question of exercise 2.2 is Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. It means that water bottle contains how much water? 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Consumed means used. Vidya used 2 upon 5 part of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water and the rest of the water was consumed by Pratap. Now what you have to calculate, first one is how much water did Vidya drink. You have to calculate that how much water Vidya drink, and second part is what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink, and then you have to calculate the fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink. Students, we will solve question number 8 of exercise 2.2. First part of question number 8 is how much water did Vidya drink? So total quantity of water that was given by her mother for the picnic is 5 liters. And Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 part of that 5 liters. That is 2 upon 5 of 5 liters. So 2 upon 5 of 5 liters means 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5. Because in place of we will write multiplication sign. 5 cancel. So answer is 2 liters. So we can say that Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Now second part of question number 8 is what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? That we have to calculate. We have to calculate the part of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. Therefore, remaining part of water was consumed by Pratap as 2 upon 5 part of the water was consumed by Vidya. So, remaining part of the water was consumed by Pratap. Therefore, Pratap consumed 1 minus 2 upon 5 part of water. We will take 1 as a denominator under 1 minus 2 upon 5. Now, we have to take LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So, 1 upon 1, this 1 is multiplied by what? So, that we will get 5. 1 is multiplied by 5. We will get 5. 1 5s are 5. If denominator is multiplied by 5, then numerator is also being multiplied by 5. So, 1 5s are 5. So, our fraction will become 5 upon 5. Now, 2 upon 5. This 5 is multiplied by what? So that we will get 5. 5 is multiplied by 1. 5 1s are 5. Is denominator is multiplied by 1. So numerator is also multiplied by 1. So 2 is also been multiplied by 1. 2 1s are 2. Now our fraction will become 2 upon 5. Now these fractions are converted into fractions with like denominators. That is 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. 5 is taken as common below the fraction line, and above the fraction line 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 upon 5 part. So we can say that Pratap drank 3 upon 5 part of water. So this is the end of today's video. We will meet again students with the next exercise, that is 2.3. Up till then, goodbye.